name's David. I'm COO of Block by Block Solutions, and I'm responsible for overseeing our project management and engineering team for our design build team. So our client had an older IHSE system circa 10 years ago. It was mainly running their Pro Tools rig and their Resolve machine. And so as a part of this build, they were upgrading their facilities as a part of their growth. They added about 20 edit bays, over 20 edit bays. And so what we did was we integrated the existing Pro Tools system with a new Resolve system and their new edit bays to kind of bring everything together. The features and benefits we liked the best about IHSE is support for legacy products. We were able to upgrade the firmware from products that were 10 years old and make it work with current stuff. So that was incredible. Also, the API is very intuitive. Our programmers were able to very easily pick up what they needed to control and make it work all seamlessly. One of the great things about IHSE is you plug stuff in and it just works. You know, there's indicators on the boxes to let you know what status things are in. The Tera tool software works great. It's super easy to use. And from a technical perspective, from our team implementing, I mean, it's very easy to do.